Hi everybody, this is Jaden Joshua Connors. Tell you a story about my school. Oh,
Ano yung nilalaro niya?
I caught a ghost in my video. See, that is my classmate, and this is the ghost. See,
Gagaya-gaya ka, kaya ka natatakot. Ay, nako, Jaden.
you see that real clear.
Tapos natatakot-takot ka.
I caught this in November 8, 2012. My, I caught I caught my classmate in a video because he said I caught him in a camera. He said, Jaden caught me in a camera so we can caught a ghost. So I caught him in a camera. We freaked out when we see the ghost in the middle of my classmate. That's it. Thank you for listening.